Hey there, my name is Parag. I'm from Dublin, and I heard of this conference by Shay about 2 years ago. We met in Dublin itself. He's also living in Dublin. I actually was unable to attend the event about 2 years ago, or maybe last year in Dublin, and I was really curious to come and see what this was all about. I knew about, I'm very passionate about personal development and leadership and all things, to do with entrepreneurship. So I flew in this morning from Dublin all the way to Glasgow. It's a nice, cold day. And, it's been amazing just hearing all of the stories and, listening to all the speakers and their personal wisdom. It's just amazing, and I'm just going away with a lot of meeting some great people, making some awesome connections, let's see where this goes. So, great day. Thanks so much.